Hello, Thalun Elementary School students. I'm Mr. Kwon. Welcome to our February 2022 assembly. During the assembly, you will hear Grade 5 perform Thalun School song. And I will announce our Student of the Month awards. Then Mr. Tucker will celebrate students with birthday are in February.
To you, beloved Thalun School, we pledge our very best each day to smile, lend a helping hand, and heart, be kind in work and play. For you, dear Thalun, we shall learn and share each honor that we earn. Our stars shall rise in yellow skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. To you, beloved Thalun School, we sing with voices proud and strong, of friends and memories within our hearts to last a lifetime long. For you, dear Thalun, shining light, shall guide us to a future bright. Our stars shall rise in yellow skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. To you, beloved Thalun School, we join together near and far to share our hopes and dreams, a smile or two, to be a shining star. For you, dear Thalun, far or near, our love will shine forever clear. Our stars shall rise in yellow skies, thanks to thee, dear Thalun School. Thanks to thee, dear Thalun School.
This month, we will acknowledge students who have demonstrated to be the self-directed and productive learners. They have the ability to grasp, apply scientific and theoretical concepts in order to appreciate the world we live in. The winners from the lower elementary school are KG students Daniel and Amelia, Grade 1 students Marvin and May, Grade 2 students Mabel and Saiswan. Congratulations to these lower elementary school winners. The winners from the upper elementary school are Grade 3 students Robin and Long Long, Grade 4 students Jenny and Sudi, Grade 5 students Moyu and Mero. Congratulations to our upper elementary school winners. In addition, we have winners from the special subjects class. In Myanmar Studies class, congratulations to KG student Fei Fei, Grade 3 student Ari Lee, and Grade 4 student Daniel. In our class, the winners are KG student Jay, Grade 3 student Robin. In PE class, the winners are KG student Amelia, Grade 1 Marvin, Grade 4 Lawan, and Grade 5 Christina. Congratulations. In music class, the winners are Grade 1 student Anhing and Emma. In ICT class, the winners are Grade 3 student Mo Ping Cho and Grade 4 student Erica. Congratulations to all the winners who have demonstrated to be the self-directed and productive learners.
Hello, boys and girls. It's time for February birthdays. In kindergarten, we had Sue. In grade 2, we have Anaya. Grade 3 was Ari Lee. Grade 4, Tetmiet and Sebastian. Grade 5, Mero. All of us at Thalun School hope all of you had a wonderful birthday in February.